Happy morning, everyone. Hope you all are good. Friends, this is first exercise of dictation series at the speed of 100 words per minute. I hope you have practiced properly the major part of any passage that is nothing but the 60 to 70% of words which occur frequently with the help of exercises uploaded earlier. Now, this exercise is for the shorthand aspirants who are preparing for any exam which is to be held at 80 words per minute, because I believe if you are really serious about cracking any skill test of shorthand, you should practice above the speed prescribed for that test for many reasons, such as you never know the dictator. You have no idea of his dictating style. He can be a person who doesn't care or don't know for how long you have been practicing. He can be a person who doesn't care or have no importance whether you get appointment letter or not. And for a simple reason, i.e., while dictating dictation, maintaining the exact and constant speed is not possible, and speed fluctuates a little bit from low to high. Therefore, it is better to be prepared well in advance in order not to lose any opportunity or considerable amount of time, because not clearing a skill test not only means that you have missed one opportunity, but you will have to wait till the next post and skill test comes. Keeping in view the same, if you have to give an exam at the speed of 80 words per minute, I would suggest that you should practice at least at the speed of 100 words per minute. And if you have to give an exam at the speed of 100 words per minute, you should practice at the speed of 120 words per minute, and likewise as the case may be. Today, many students start learning shorthand since their school time. So if anyone from them has finished Pittman's shorthand book up to the advanced phraseography chapter, he or she can also practice this exercise in order to get an idea or taste of what it is to write in speed and the level of hard work or practice he or she requires to do in the near future.
It is advised to first fetch new words and their outlines first, and practice those for 3 to 5 lines of your notebook before trying dictation. It makes taking the dictation very easy, as Abraham Lincoln has said. It is better to sharp your weapon before cutting a tree, and also to make shorthand vocabulary more strong, strengthened, and vast. For any outline or spelling within this passage, video can be paused at real point of time. If anybody requires my help to know outline of any word from this passage or outside, comments are invited. I will upload the same in a special video here, as well as its link on Facebook page of this channel. Wish you all the best. Exercise is going to start.
Point your pen, concentrate, go. This common order shall dispose of all the aforesaid 7 petitions, since identical questions of facts and law are involved in the same stop. A letter was sent by one Sri Gautam Khanna, drawing the attention of this court towards the problems faced by the Sukhna Lake in Chandigarh stop. The court took cognizance of the same, and the notice was issued to the Chandigarh administration, returnable for 21/12/2009 by the order dated 28/11/2009, full stop. Miss Tannu Bedi, advocate, was appointed as amicus curiae to represent the cause espoused in this writ petition stop. The registry was directed to hand over one copy of the paper book to her within a period of 7 days stop. Miss Tannu Bedi, advocate, was directed to file formal writ petition incorporating all the pleas which were sought to be raised during the course of arguments stop. Learned amicus curiae filed formal writ petition stop. In the writ petition, there was averment to the letter dated 18/11/2009, written by one resident named Sri Gautam Khanna, who had drawn the attention of this court towards the problems of silt in the lake, which has resulted in drying up of lake and reduction of its original size of about 2.5 kilometers in length to 1.5 kilometers stop. It was also highlighted in the letter that the administration was spending money on frivolous construction around Lake Stop. There is further a reference to written note wherein the brief description of Sukhna Lake has been given and the problem of siltation, loss of water space, the quality of water and problem of weeds and the flood gates at the regulatory end in the catchment area is discussed. Stop. The court on 5/8/2010 directed the respondents to file reply within 4 weeks. Stop. Sri Sanjay Kaushal, learned counsel for UT, apprised this court that the desilting work was going on and 60 tippers for poke lanes and 4 JCBs were being employed for the said purpose. Stop. Wide order dated 26/4/2010, UT administration was directed to make efforts to treat the desilting process on a very urgent basis. Stop. The state of Punjab was directed to be added as party as the catchment area of Sukhna Lake falls in the state of Punjab. Stop. Thereafter, wide order dated 26/5/2010, the state of Haryana, Punjab and UT Chandigarh through the Secretary Forest and Environment Departments were implemented as party. Stop. Respondents were granted 6 weeks time to file their respective replies. Full stop. Learned amicus curiae had also placed before this court certain new clippings. Full stop.